All right, guys, so I'm doing a review of this Synear Shumai dumplings. These are at Costco. Yeah, they're at Costco. So these are those things that you get at dim sum, but they actually have it in a nice pack here. So as you can see, pork, keep frozen, ready in 12 minutes. It says right there. So all right, let's look at the nutrient file. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There we go. And here's the ingredients. So we got pork, carrots, onions. There is wheat in this, so be aware of that. Has soy, some sesame. But I don't see any other things that are in there. So, all right, let's cook it up. All right, guys, here the shumai's all done. Let's do a quick taste test. They look pretty decent size, actually. And there we go. Actually, really good. Quite good actually. It has a really good shumai taste. It's almost, I would say, it's pretty much on par with some of the restaurants that I've eaten at, but not, of course, not like good restaurant quality. It's not like it doesn't have the shrimp in there. It doesn't have all the other stuff in there, but it's decent. So for being frozen, it's actually pretty good. All right, guys, stay tuned.